Realme has just unveiled its latest powerhouses, the Realme 11 Pro and Realme 11 Pro Plus. These smartphones were launched with great fanfare at the thrilling The Next Leap event in India today, and they are packed with impressive features that are sure to leave you in awe. Let's start with the Realme 11 Pro Plus. This beauty takes the crown as the flagship model of the series, boasting a stunning 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a mesmerizing 120Hz refresh rate. Get ready to be blown away by the breathtaking resolution of 1080 into 2412 pixels and the sleek punch hole cutout design. Now let's talk cameras. The Realme 11 Pro Plus is truly a photography beast. Equipped with a whopping 200-megapixel primary camera accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. Say cheese and capture the world in incredible detail. And for all the selfie enthusiasts out there, a remarkable 32-megapixel front camera is on board to capture your best angles. The Realme 11 Pro Plus is fueled by the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, ensuring smooth performance and seamless multitasking. And let's not forget about the battery. With a generous 5000 mAh capacity, this phone will keep up with your busy lifestyle. Plus, the 100-watt fast charging support means you'll be back in action in no time. Now let's turn our attention to the Realme 11 Pro. It shares many similarities with its big sibling, including the gorgeous 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Prepare to be immersed in vibrant visuals with a resolution of 1080 into 2412 pixels. The camera setup on the Realme 11 Pro is nothing short of impressive. It features a remarkable 108-megapixel primary camera, a 2-megapixel secondary camera, and a 16-megapixel selfie sensor. Get ready to capture stunning photos and document your life's precious moments with exceptional clarity. Powered by the same MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, the Realme 11 Pro delivers excellent performance and speed. With a reliable 5000 mAh battery and a 67 watts fast charging support, you won't have to worry about running out of juice during your busy days. Now let's talk about the price and availability. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G starts at 27,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB variant, while the 12GB plus 256GB model is priced at 29,999 rupees. Mark your calendars because the first sale begins on June 15th at 12 p.m. on Flipkart and Realme stores. As for the Realme 11 Pro 5G, it comes in 3 variants at different price points. 8GB plus 128GB for 23,999 rupees. 8GB plus 256GB for 24,999 rupees. And 12GB plus 256GB for 27,999 rupees. Don't miss out on the first sale starting from June 16th at 12 p.m. So there you have it. The Realme 11 Pro series is ready to sweep you off your feet with its impressive features, stunning cameras, and fast performance. Get ready to take the leap into the future of smartphones.